Good morning students, welcome back to my channel. In this video we are going to solve October-November 2022 paper and the component code which we selected is 02. And we will start with our first task, which is documentation production task. Okay, so let us start with this task. Okay, so now we will do the evidence 2, task 1, evidence file. Open the file in 2202 evidence.rft. Make sure your name, center number, candidate number will be appear on all these pages. Save the document as a N2202, all right, followed with your candidate number example like this. Okay, so to do this we will go to our support file folder and let me open the evidence file. All right, now click on enable editing there, file, save as, go to your support file folder and save it as a evidence with a followed with your center number, candidate number 1 2 3 4. All right, and change the format to Microsoft Word and save. All right, done. So now let me minimize this. Let's go to the next question. Okay, so now you need this evidence document during the examination to place the screenshot of your task. Okay, now the main task, which is task 2, documentation. Let us start it. You are going to edit a document for Tawara Sailing Club. The company uses a corporate house style for all its documents. Paragraph style must be created, modified and applied. So here they are asking us to create, modify and apply as instructed. Okay, open the file N2202 regatta.rft. The page setup should be A4, landscape and orientation with 2 centimeter margin. Okay, now what we need to do here, we don't have to make any kind of changes. Okay, any type of changes will not be accepted, so we don't have to do it. Next, the paragraph, 3 paragraph style have been already created, do not make any changes. Okay, so save the document as a sailing, save the document as a sailing. All right, so now to do this we will go to our support file folder. Where is regatta? Okay, double click here. Now let me open it, file, save as. I'm going to save it as a sailing and changing the format to Microsoft Word. Okay, do we need to put our name, center number, candidate number also? No, here they did not ask to keep any name or center number, candidate number. Okay, so now after this, take a screenshot. Okay, show the file has been saved including evidence of the file type. Okay, place this in your screenshot of evidence file. Okay, so now what we need to do, we need to take a screenshot showing the file has been saved. All right, so now save, let me save it first. Okay, now we'll go to our support file folder and then take the screenshot, Windows plus print screen, the shortcut command you can use here, and take this showing that this is safe. All right, and we will go to our evidence file and this is our first evidence, Control V. All right, so now we're done with our first evidence file. Next, okay, let's move it. Screenshot evidence showing the save in your work area, which is done already, we showed. Next, place right align in a header. Okay, sailing instructed. Okay, so we will go to our document here and we will go to insert, header and footer. So first we will start with the header they ask us to put. Now I'm choosing the 3 header in the right align, sailing instructed. Next, do I need to do anything here? On a new line, your name, center number, candidate number. Name, center number, candidate number. So just press, let me press enter and go, just use the tab students. Okay, now write your name here first, ABC, center number IN123, candidate number is 1234. Okay, so now this is your name, center number, candidate number, so that we will align exactly which meet the requirement. Done. Anything else? No. So let me, I don't need this, delete, I don't need this and delete. All right, so now we done with the header part. Done. Now next, what we need to do. So next, let me go to the question paper here. Okay, so here is the question paper. Yep. Okay, so now place in a footer automated page number center align. Okay, place in a footer automated center. Okay, automated page number center align. Okay, so now to do this, again click on insert, go to page number in the bottom, and it should be center align. Done. Just click outside, you got it. Now next, the header is right aligned to the page margin and the footer is center aligned. No other text or place in the header and footer area. Header and footer are displayed on all the pages. To make sure, let us try to cross check it. Yes, this is done, this is done. Yeah, and everything is perfectly fine. Okay, now create the following. Let's enter into the question number 3. Create the following paragraph style. Now here they are asking us to create a paragraph style, basing it on a default paragraph style. Okay, so now first is the TSR subheads. Okay, so they are asking us to create a TSR subheads. So student, it is better to bring the style manager. Click on here, this is the option for style manager. Bring your style manager here. Okay, so now first is TSR subhead. So click on a new style, type Control V, and as they instructed, we need to make it as a default paragraph. So make it as a normal default. Okay, make it as a default. Now next, font is serif. Serif is Times New Roman and sans serif is Arial. So it is Times New Roman. Then font size is 18. So let me select 18. Okay, alignment is center. Okay, alignment is center. Next, italic and underline. Italic and underline. All right, and then what next we need to do? Space before is 0 and after is 0. Okay, space before, so we will go to format, paragraph. Okay, space before is 0 and after is 4. Is it a single line spacing? Yes, so make sure you selected the single line spacing. Press OK and then press OK. So here we go, we got our first TSR subheads here. Here student, as I told you, don't have to worry. Okay, this is not going to be changed. Simply you can select your normal default setting and apply it to this thingy, no problem. Okay, so this is done. Next, so TR subheads is done. Next, what I need to create. Okay, evidence, take a screenshot, show the setting of TR subheads paragraph style and place in your evidence document. So what we need to do here, right click and modify. This is our TR subheads. All right, so now this setting I'm going to take the screenshot of it. Windows plus print screen, you can use here the shortcut command and just take the screenshot like this and paste it in the ends file. All right, press OK. Now where is our evidence file? It is here. Control V. All right, so now we're done with our screenshot. Next, let me go down. Okay, now at the start of the document, enter on a new line the title Tawara Sailing Regatta. Okay, so now as a new line they are asking us to do it. So now I will go here on the top and just I will click on welcome and just press enter and one line is created. Type Control V, Tawara Sailing Regatta. Apply TSR title paragraph style. All right, so let me select it, and where is TSR title? It is here. Perfectly fine, done. Next, modify the TSR paragraph style so that the following format will be applied. Okay, so now they are asking us to modify it. So let us try to modify the TSR title. Right click and simply click on modify. Okay, what I need to do here first is the serif. Serif is Times New Roman. Serif is Times New Roman. So first is setting is serif. Next, size is 30. So the font size is 30. Going to be 30. Okay, so here select it, type 30, enter. Next, alignment is center. So alignment is center. Next, bold and italic, remove the underline. Okay, single line spacing, format. Okay, paragraph, line spacing should be single. Next, before after 0 0, before is also 0 and after is also 0. Okay, clear? And then do we need to take a screenshot? Yeah. Okay, so now press OK and then press OK. So if you can see here, immediately it changed the TSR title. Okay, all right. So now what they are asking here in the screenshot, so modified setting we need to paste. Okay, so now TSR title, right click, modify. Yeah, here we go. So now Windows plus print screen, you can take a screenshot and paste in your evidence file. Let me see, press OK, and then where is our evidence file? This is our evidence 3. Control V. Just reduce the size. Done. Now next what they are asking here to do, select the subhead schedule from the following text up to include the paragraph ending with protest committee or final. Scheduled, where is scheduled? So let me go here. So let me close this. Where is schedule? Yeah, schedule is here. Till until where they said, okay, protest committee or final. Okay, all right, done. Change the page layout so that only this text is displayed into 2 columns with equal width with 1.5 centimeter spacing. So to do that, we will go to layouts, column, more column, 2 column, and spacing is 1.5 centimeter, and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Yes, good. All right. So now next, apply the bullet to the text from overall width in 2003 or later. Okay, so it is bullet points. Okay, so let me find out where is it. Overall. Okay, so from overall to till 2003 or later. So click on home and click on bullets. Done. What I need to do, the bullets are indent to 1 centimeter to the left margin. So right click, paragraph, indentation. Okay, indent to left to 1 centimeter. 1 centimeter. Press OK. Done. Next, this is done. The list is in a single line spacing, no space before and after each line. Okay, so right click, paragraph. Okay, single line spacing, before already by default it is single, and then make it as a 0. Next, there is a 6-point space after the last item. So what I'm going to do, selecting this last item, right click, paragraph, and after spaces 6 points, and then press OK. Perfect. Done. Now next, what we need to do here, let me go down. Okay, identify the 6 subheadings, all right, in your document and apply TRS subheads paragraph. Okay, all right. So now we will go back to our document and let us try to identify the 6 subheadings. First is schedule and TRS subheads. Okay, so now we are going to put the style subhead 1, perfect. Next, racing, select the racing and press on subheads. Where is it? Here it is. Okay, 2, and next safety is 3. Okay, done. Now next, prices are 4. Okay, on the water penalties for 5. Okay, anything else, protest, last but not the least is protest 6. So we are done with all this 6 subheads. Perfect. Next, import the image N22 flag and place it in a paragraph begin with at the start of each race. Okay, student, I hope you remember in my previous videos also I told you what is the shortcut command here. Control F and press and then enter. So here it will directly take you to this particular paragraph. Now we need to insert. Click on insert picture, this device. Okay, now we will go to our support file folder, which is October November 2022 paper, and the image is this. Insert. Perfect. Next, reflect the image, okay, and flip the image on the right side. Student, you don't have to do anything. Reflection you will get it here. Okay, simply flip to horizontal. If it is vertical, flip to horizontal. Next, this is done. Format the image so that the width is 2.5 centimeter and aspect ratio is maintained. Right click, sizing and positioning. Width is how much, dear? 2.5. Is it centimeter? Yeah, 2.5 centimeter. Anything else I need to do here? It should be aligned to the column top of the paragraph. Okay, at the start, and text wrap around the image. All right, so then press OK. Now it should be square and then around the PS. Perfect. Okay, next, anything else? Okay, did they mention is it right or left? The place at the beginning of this and flag is this format and resize, align and column. Okay, right side. Okay, they are asked us to make it as a right. Here you can see, okay, it aligned to be right of the column of your top. Okay, so now this is our right side. Perfectly fine. Next, so we're done with the image part. Now let us try to do the question number 9. Locate the table in the document, format the table so that it will be look like this. Okay, all right, so let me see. Yeah, understood. So now what we will do, we will select the first part. Okay, dear, and right click, merge the cell. Okay, right click, format table or table properties, you can go, or text direction, and here it should be like this. Okay, and then press OK, and it should be center align. Perfect. Anything else I need to do here? Yeah, so now this need to be, just press 1. Perfect, enter, and you will bring it a center align. Now next, this should also have a background color. Did they mention anything here? Yeah. Okay, text display on one line of column 2, 3, 4. Okay, so it should be display on only one line. Perfect. Okay, next, table border, all borders should be fit in a column width. Perfectly fit. One black point internal grid line. Okay, so now let me select, and here already it is in grid line, but we make sure that we are doing in a right way. Okay, dear. So border and shading, so this is only not half point, it is a 1 point, and that is also grid line. Okay, press OK. This is how you need to do, students. Next, what I need to do, TSR table style apply to column 2, 3 and 4. Okay, has not been changed. Okay, we are not touching anything. There is a 6-point space after the table. Okay, so only we need to put here the fill with the light blue color. Okay, so here the whole column, okay, so need to be filled with the color. All right, so select the whole. Is it correct color? It's a light gray color. Okay, perfect, done. Now next, TSR table style applied to the column and has not to be changed. Okay, we are not going to change anything. Perfectly fine. We're done with this part also. Next, spell check and proofread. Student, I hope you remember FN plus F7. Okay, so now let's try to check where something is rocking and oohing is wrong. So it's prefer always one. Okay, must be one all the time. Perfect. Infringement, protest, third party, outweigh, and then press OK. Perfectly fine. Table are listed or not split. So let us check one by one. Yes, table is not split. There is no widows and orphans. So widows and orphans, student, do you remember? Right click paragraph, click on line breakup. Yes, there is no widows and orphans. Next, there is no page, there is no blank page. All right, so let me check. Yeah, no blank page. We can clearly see here. Nothing is blank. Next, paragraph style have been applied as instructed. Yes, we applied it. Okay. Next, there is a 6-point space after the list. Yes, we already did it, but for our confirmation, let me check one more time. Yeah, it is done. Okay, so save your document, file, save. All right, now print your document. Okay, so Control P and take the printout of your document. Perfectly fine. So we are done with the task. Student, I hope you enjoy the video. Please, student, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and please